Hi everyone, my name is Derek Tangretti.
And I am Mark Crockett, and we are going to briefly show you a tutorial on how to book resources, Makerspace resources, through the Media Services booking tool that's available through your employee portal.
Perfect. So what you want to do, guys, when you are on the Thames Valley main page, where you want to go is you want to go up to the Employees section on the top right of your computer. And when you scroll over that, you are going to be directed to your employee portal. So you're going to select that. Once you're on your employee portal page, for those of you who haven't done it, simply enter in your TV number along with your password. And once you do, you'll be prompted right within your portal. So from here, what you want to do is you want to scroll over to the far left of the screen. And if you scroll down, you will eventually arrive at MediaNet. So when you click on MediaNet, you'll be auto-populated to the direct link. So once you select that, you'll be within the Media Services page where you will end up booking out technology or any other items that you would need to do so for your school.
Gosh, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, Derek. So when you get here, I might be interested in looking at booking out Makey Makey. So there's two ways you can approach this. You can search in your basic search bar, Makey Makey. Derek's going to click on the search button there, and it should bring up the Makey Makey in the system. So you see at the top there, it says new, which means it would be a new item available. If you click on the Makey Makey, it will bring you to a new link, which will allow you to book out the Makey Makey kits for your school. So now that that's loaded, there's information here that's important to read. So you want to pay careful attention to the contents. So if just a little bit below there, it includes 5 Makey Makey kits. So make sure you pay careful attention to it's not just one Makey Makey you're receiving a kit of 5 Makey Makeys. There's another way you can book out the Makey Makeys at the top, resource list, which is a great feature which will allow you to look at all the Makerspace titles that are available for booking out, which might make you realize that there's some things that you might need for your class that you didn't know were available before. The Makey Makeys are also in this list, as well as a bunch of other great tools as well.
So if we select on Makey Makey again, so I'm just going to click on that, and Mark has already taken us through this process. Let's say this is something that I actually wanted to carry out and book out. Where it says holdings, I'm going to actually select the pick option. So when I click on that green pick option, it's going to prompt me to select a date for when I would like to actually book these Makey Makeys. Now, one of the things that Mark and I like to do in order to book these out from the first available date is you can see where it says show date, and it says first. There's your quantity on the far right hand side. So we'd be getting 1 kit. We're going to test the availability in this other green box below just to make sure to see when it's first available for us to use. So we're going to hit test availability, and it will populate and tell us that the first date that we can get this is for February 1st. And we have a quantity of 1, and because there is a check mark, that means it's available. If it's unavailable, you will see a red X and you will have to test availability again. But because we only want 1 kit, we are going to submit, and then we're going to have a kit of Makey Makeys arrive on February 1st. Now, one last thing to double check before you actually submit is to scroll down to the bottom of the page and ensure that it is indeed you who is signing out this equipment and that it's your school. If you belong to a previous school in the past, sometimes information doesn't get updated, so just double check to make sure that everything is there. We hope this makes a lot of sense, and thank you for listening to our video.
Thank you. Take care.